Welcome to Saharanpur, known worldwide as the Shisham Wood Village. This city is home to a remarkable community of skilled woodcarvers who have spent generations breathing life into wood. Through creativity, dedication, and heritage, they bring these natural materials into new forms that captivate art lovers everywhere. These artisans are renowned for their unique vine leaf patterns and breathtaking brass inlay work. Today, they're blending traditional designs with materials like glass, ceramic, and wrought iron, giving new dimensions to this ancient craft. Saharanpur, a city named after Sufi saint Shah Harun Chishti, is steeped in history. Amidst the busy electric poles and winding roads, the sound of namaz fills the air, giving the city a nostalgic charm. The wood from nearby forests supplies this city's famed woodcraft industry, one of India's key exporters. In bustling areas like Lakkad Bazar, Sare Mardan Ali, and Khajur Tala, artisans keep Saharanpur's woodworking traditions alive. Each woodworking masterpiece goes through a carefully crafted process. Let's dive into the journey from raw wood to a stunning work of art. Cutting, or lakdi cheerna, is where it all begins. Logs are sliced into slabs, and artisans carefully mark them for shape and size, setting the stage for the design to come. The real artistry unfolds in the carving stage, where artisans bring geometric and figure designs to life. Patterns are sketched and then meticulously chiseled by hand. Younger artisans often join in, learning the techniques that will carry this art forward. Inlaying is a fascinating process where brass, bone, or even plastic strips are pressed into grooves in the wood. This intricate metalwork adds beauty and durability to the piece, creating a striking fusion of materials. Next comes polishing, a crucial step in highlighting the wood's natural beauty. After sanding and filling any imperfections, the surface is polished to perfection, capturing the material's unique grain. Custom orders sometimes even receive opulent gold finishes. In the final stage, each piece is carefully assembled. Hardware, such as hinges and rivets, is added, ensuring both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The completed piece then undergoes a quality check before it's packed and ready for its new home. The results are as varied as they are beautiful. From wrought iron tables and wooden chairs to intricately carved storage boxes and brass inlaid nested tables, each product embodies Saharanpur's dedication to quality and artistry. Together with the craftsmanship in Saharanpur's woodworking traditions highlight the essence of India's cultural heritage. These artisans are preserving a legacy through each unique creation. As they continue to evolve, these traditions promise a thriving future for artisans and ensure that the art of woodworking remains timeless. Thank you for joining us on this journey. To explore more of these unique handcrafted pieces, follow our blog, link is given in the description box.